Did you know there's a sport where people literally bounce themselves into the hospital for $0? Welcome to professional extreme pogo sticking, where common sense goes to die. In 2011, James Roumeliotis decided to bounce on a pogo stick for 20 hours and 13 minutes straight. By hour 15, he was cramping, dehydrated, and seeing things that weren't there. But hey, at least he got a world record nobody asked for. The height record is even more insane. Someone launched themselves 11 feet 2 inches into the air on a pogo stick. That's basically free falling while praying your sweaty hands don't slip and turn you into street pizza. These athletes do backflips and spins while bouncing 30 plus feet high on modified sticks. There are zero safety rules, barely any protective gear, and people regularly get carted off with broken bones and concussions. The best part, they make almost no money doing this. They're risking permanent disability for the glory of being really good at bouncing. Darwin would be so confused.